how to manage event notifications on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage event notifications on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and then click this one here, and now click account settings, and now on YouTube just click this notifications, and then this one on mobile, and now just click here if you want to turn it off, this one events, and if you want to turn it on again, click on it. And as you see, that's how manage events notifications on Twitch. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.